Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to change the lock screen password on this device. So in this device, I already set one lock screen password, the pattern password. So let me show you how to change this one. Simply go to the settings and scroll down. Here you can see the option security and privacy. Select this one. Tap on lock screen. So here we need to enter the current password. Now after this one, you can see the option pin password pattern. So if you want to change this one to pin, then select the option pin. So here we need to enter a 6-digit pin. Tap on continue. Again, confirm this with the same pin. Tap on OK. Now let me show you how it works. Try to unlock. Now you can see they are asking for the pin instead of that pattern. This unlocked. So simply in this way we can change the screen lock password on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.